Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be reviewing the Alien Power Cleaner. Alien Power Cleaner has been making waves in 2025, claiming to remove even the toughest stain instantly. From grease and coffees to old wine marks, the formula is marketed as eco-friendly, non-toxic, and safe for use on clothes, tiles, kitchens, and even car interiors. But is it really a miracle product or just a hype? In testing and customer feedback, results are mixed. Many users report impressive stain removal that beats regular cleaners, while others say it doesn't work as dramatically as the ad shows, which is this one. The spray does work better on fresh stains than old, set in ones, and citrus-based scent is a plus. It is price-wise, it's a little higher than standard cleaners, but it's still affordable compared to premium brands. The verdict for this is that Alien Power Cleaner isn't a scam. It works, just not magic. If you want a reliable everyday stain remover, it's worth a try, but don't expect it to erase every mark like in the commercial.